I've been trying to capture the variety of butterflies that come to visit. And there's a real beauty here. I'm hoping I don't scare them away. It's just beautiful. I get a lot of butterflies. It's hard to see. I hope I have them on camera here. Just gorgeous. I see he has a busted out wing there on the back end. I think probably a bird tried to get him. Just beautiful. Very different. That's not a monarch. I'm not sure what kind that is. I'll have to look him up in the book. Pretty busy over there. There he is. And you got a little piece missing out of the back wing there. Still able to fly though. So that's good. The lives of butterflies are so brief. They transform in short lives. Oh yeah, he just flew off there. He's buzzing around. I wanted to walk over here and show this beautiful bird feeder. Bird bath. This thing is quite elegant. I like it. I love the stained glass there, big butterfly. That's a preferred motif for Jay. She had her eye on this one, so rather than try and surprise birthday gift, which may or may not have gone over well, ask her what she wanted and take me to it, and we picked it up, and I love it. I thought it was great. It's quite stunning. I wish I had another one to put on the other side. I like things feng shui. Well, that's it for this right here, although I think I'm going to take a trip over to the butterfly bush. The blazing star there. I saw a lot of activity over there. Yeah, we've got a couple more butterflies over here. Oh, that's where the other butterfly went, over here too. There he is. There's a couple of white ones. I'd like to get close up on him if I can. There he is. It's not a monarch, that's something else. Beautiful. There's the white one over here too. There's a pair of them. A lot of flying around. A lot of things flying around here. It's very interesting though. They really draw this light, the artist, this blazing star really draws them. Now there's 3 of them here, butterflies. One way down in there too. Kind of just sweeping here. So hard to take videos when you can't see the screen. And here's my other bird bath over here. This one's kind of hidden so that the birds that are up in the bird hotel can come down and get a cool drink. Well, now there's 2 of them, so I'll see a lot more activity. Boy, it's pretty hot out here today in the sun. Still got some of these double hollyhocks coming out. A couple different blossoms here. This drought's wreaked havoc on a lot of things. I usually have so many things blooming in here. Achillea, the other flowers that I have. Here's my red hydrangea, and the heads on it are pretty small here too. Alright, well that's about it here. We'll call it a day. Oh, the butterflies back over here, a couple of them. I certainly enjoy watching them float around. You can see the long spires on that blazing star. They're really, it's almost in full bloom. A lot of activity over there. Alright, everybody be safe out there. Try to be kind to one another. Help your neighbor if you can. Be safe.